Hi there, students. The objective of this video is to dispel any confusion or doubts that you might have about the meaning or usage of dispel. To dispel. So we can use to dispel either physically or metaphorically. To dispel means to break up, something that drifts in various directions. To drive away, to make go away by scattering. So the breeze dispelled the early morning mist. There was mist and the breeze blew it away. The wind dispelled the clouds that were building up. That bad smell took a really long time to dispel. The police dispelled the demonstrators. They separated them. The boring speech that the politician gave dispelled the meeting very slowly but surely. So these are physical ways of breaking things up. Now, you can use to dispel figuratively, meaning to drive away fears or doubts or objections or worries, illusions or cares. And you can do that by proving that they are unfounded or unjustified. So the report dispelled any doubts I had about this. So it explained clearly that this thing was okay. So the report dispelled my doubts. Her calm rationalization of the situation dispelled my fears. My fears went away. The salesman dispelled my worries about whether his product was going to work by giving me a demonstration. So I was worried and then I stopped being worried because I saw that it worked. He dispelled my worries. He explained to the children that Santa Claus was not real and dispelled their illusions about Christmas. To make go. Okay, to dispel is a regular verb, but notice in the past double L, dispelled, he has dispelled their illusions about Christmas. And I think to dispel is quite a formal word. I'd probably give it something like a 7 informality. So don't use it in an informal conversation. To break up, to drive away would be much better informally. But please do use dispel in something that's semi-formal or very formal. Good for your writings. Okay, what about the origin? Well, this word to dispel comes from the Latin verb dispellare, which means to disperse or to dispel. So it hasn't really changed much in meaning over the years. So, to dispel, to break up. The meeting dispelled. The clouds dispelled. They broke up and went away. He dispelled my fears. She dispelled my worries by proving that it was all right. He dispelled my doubts by explaining clearly. Okay, so to dispel, to make go, to get rid of. And that's it. So I hope I've dispelled any doubts or confusions you may have had about the word to dispel. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To dispel.